I now have the honor to invite Ms. Solvita Abaltinja, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary Ambassador of Latvia to the Netherlands, to deliver a statement and to proceed to the signing, followed by Liechtenstein.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Latvia has always strongly stand for the sovereignty and independence and territorial integrity of Ukraine within its internationally recognized borders. We once again categorically condemned the Russian Federation's war of aggression against Ukraine, a war that represents a blatant assault of international law and on the very idea of a rules-based order. Latvia strongly supports Ukraine and its people. Also, there are no words that could provide comfort to what Ukrainians have endured since the beginning of Russia's aggression. Let the events of today serve as one step further for ensuring accountability for Ukraine. In this way, accountability is one of the prerequisites to maintain long-lasting and just peace. The crime of aggression is a leadership crime. Thus, in order for accountability to be effective and serve justice, we must hold accountable Russian political and military leadership, including through international mechanisms such as Special Tribunal for the crime of aggression. Accountability shall also include full reparations. Russia must pay for the damage it has caused. Today we are founding the Crimes Commission. Nevertheless, our progress must not slow down. The work must continue, and the fund ensuring the full functioning of compensation mechanism is our next task. The establishment of the Crimes Commission represents a vital step towards justice, and justice must ultimately reach those who have suffered most. Latvia will continue to support these efforts to ensure that victims receive meaningful compensation and that their suffering does not die in vain. Every claim must be heard, every loss must be acknowledged, and the victims of Russia's aggression must receive justice they deserve. We remain unwavering in our support for Ukraine. While Russia continues to blatantly violate the UN Charter, international human rights law, and international humanitarian law, we stand with Ukraine, military, economically, politically, diplomatically. We support a just and lasting peace, one grounded in these principles of the UN Charter, enforced by accountability and protected by credible and durable security guarantees. Thank you.